Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Today you will learn a sound in starting, middle and ending. I, a sound. I, a sound. So let's start now. A sound. I, a glow. A glow. A glow. Igloo. 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 Now you repeat with me. Igloo. 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 Well done, students. Igloo. Now we will learn I sound in middle. Girl. 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 Now you repeat with me. Girl. 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 Well done, students. Repeat again. Girl. 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 Now we will learn I sound in ending. Kiwi. 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 Well done, students. Now repeat with me. Kiwi. 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 Hope you have learned a sound in starting, middle and ending. Let's repeat all sounds of E. Igloo. 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 In the middle, girl. I sound in the middle, girl. Girl. I sound in the ending, kiwi. 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 Well done, student. Allah Hafiz.